Hello and welcome to what is a video about the prototype Anti-Misplacement Toolbox. The project utilizes the power of Bluetooth low-energy beacons as a means to detect a missing tool. Today, I will be running down everything you need to know about this device, from assembling and programming of the AMT, along with several demonstrations which will showcase its capabilities. And so, I begin by first explaining the process of setting up the anti-misplacement toolbox. You first need to open the cover, which holds the smartphone inside, followed by double tapping the screen of the smartphone to access its applications. Then you will need to tap on the application called Beacon Locator. This is the app that is designed to communicate with the BLE beacon on the tool. With that done, we now proceed to accessing the tool by undoing the two latches on either side of the toolbox. Opening this will give you access to the tool that is rigged with a special beacon device that is designed to connect to the app on the smartphone. To activate the Bluetooth beacon, press and hold the small button on the center up until a green light will flash. Take note that 3 blinks means it's on and 1 blink means it's off. With the BLE beacon now activated, we now need to power up the AMT's sound amplifier, which aids in giving the auditory warning if the tool is misplaced. Using a fully charged power bank, you will need to connect the micro USB cord to the amplifier's power port. A flashing blue light and the sound will indicate that it is now activated. While you're at it, might as well check if the 2 knobs on the amplifier is at its max setting by turning the knobs counterclockwise up until it reaches its limits. Once all of these steps are achieved, the anti-misplacement toolbox is now ready for use. You now join me in connecting the BLE to the smartphone by first turning on the Bluetooth function on its control panel and opening the app until you reach here. After checking if the BLE is on, you need to hit scan. Here you can see the detectable BLE in the area. Touching this will bring you here to the settings screen. Here you can modify anything about the connection of the smartphone and the beacon, making sure that the event is set to leave region, the action type is at normal sound profile, and the notification is on. You can quickly test if it works by pressing execute. Mind your volume levels. Along with checking the Bluetooth radar feature, which will give a location of the beacon in real time. With all that done, we can now lock the phone in its place, load the BLE tool inside, lock it all up, and proceed to experiment 1, the light and sound test. Using this 30-meter long measuring tape, what is intended is to see how observable is the toolbox's warning system. So right now, I am just synchronizing the BLE and the smartphone, along with checking the radar for the pin. With all that done, all you need is to put it back in its home screen and walk away. Just to inform you that the phone's audio along with the video on the right is currently off. You're only hearing from the external camera right now. I say this because 12 meters down the road, this happens. In the second test, same process. Program, home screen, and walk. Up until And same goes for test 3. Program, home screen, walk, then. And with that, we now proceed to experiment 2, obstructed BLE connectivity test. Now here, using these 3 parallel rooms, we are here to see if the BLE is still able to connect with the smartphone despite the obstructions. Turning on the BLE and leaving it in room 1, I now take the AMT to room 2, which is about 3 meters away. I then open the app and hit scan. And as you can see, the BLE is still detectable by the smartphone. Switching over to the radar and hitting scan, and you get the same results. Finally, taking the AMT to room 3 and doing the same process again. It still displays the beacon, and so does on the radar screen. While the pin is no longer on the radar, the bottom of the screen still shows it is still detected. So as we can see, it has managed to connect with the toolbox along will still be detectable with the obstructions around it. And with a sound system that loud, it can really get the attention of any user in the area and execute what is it designed to do. This has been a demonstration video of the AMT, the Anti-Misplacement Toolbox. Thank you for watching.